Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about these scrunchies from Ivyu that I got. I absolutely love these for my curly hair routine. I really needed some help with my curly hair at night because I was waking up and it was in ruins and I had to start all over. These scrunchies have been a lifesaver. I use them to pineapple my hair, as they say. I just flip my head over and then put the scrunchie in loosely. And then I sleep like that at night, and it's really helped. These are great. They're satin. They have a great pull to them. They don't feel tight. They don't tangle your hair, which I think is really important for curly hair. I also use them during the day when I'm just bebopping around if I want to put my hair up, but I don't want to ruin my hairstyle. So they can be used for a regular ponytail. They can be used for buns on top of your head or to do the pineapple for when you sleep. They've been great. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, which I really like. They're fun and they have worked really well for me. So I hope this will help you, and that's my point of view.